Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. In this continuation session of our Vedic mathematics, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication using base method. Okay, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication using base method. In the part 1, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication using the base such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. So let me go for the examples. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let me take the examples. Now whatever I am doing multiplication, I am using the base method. So please observe few questions, few examples very carefully. See, 99 and 94, I am multiplying 99 by 94. Okay, these two numbers are near to which number? 100. These two numbers are near to 100. Okay, 99 is below 100 by how much? It is less than 100 by 1. Okay, it is less than 100 by 1. Okay, so since it is below, I am representing by negative sign, minus. 94 is less than your 100 by what? 6. Since it is below, I will represent that by minus 6. Okay, now you do like cross subtraction, either this or this. 94 minus 1 is 93. Either you can do like this or like this also. 99 minus 6 is also 93. You need to do like this or like this. Okay, it's up to you. You got it? Then 6 into minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6, right? You have to do into. Minus 1 into minus 6 is plus 6. But you please see here, 100 got how many zeros? 2 zeros. Now you have to get 2-digit answer only. 6 is 1-digit answer, but I will write 06 here. Okay, now it is a 2-digit answer. So answer for this example is 9306. See, without multiplication, how I got my answer? Answer for this example is what? 9306. So let me explain one more time. Please observe very carefully. So I am taking numbers which are below my base. In the first set, I am going to take the examples which are below my base. I will explain so many other techniques also. Now please observe here. These two numbers are near to 100. The base is now 100. This number is below base. Below means minus. Below by how much? 1. This number is also below my base by how much? Below means negative. Below by 6. Now you have to do cross subtraction. Like this also you do, or else you can do like this also. 94 minus 1 is 93. Okay. Now 99 minus 6 is also 93. You do one time. Okay. Now minus 1 into minus 6 is what? Plus 6. But you see how many zeros? 2 zeros. So you should get 2-digit answer only. Now how to get 2 digits? 06. Now you put here. So answer for this question is 9306. Okay, few more examples I will take now. Now I am multiplying 89 and 88. So these two numbers are near to what? 100. The base is 100. Okay. This number is below by 100 by 11. Below means negative. This number is below by 12. Negative. Below means negative. Now you do cross subtraction like this or like this. Okay, it's up to you. So this is what? 7. This is what? 7. Either you can do like this also. 89 minus 12 is what? 77 only. Now you have to multiply these two. 12 into 11. What is 12 11s are? It is 132, right? So answer is 132. Now you check. The base is 100. How many digits? 2 digit. But I got 3-digit answer here. So that means 1 should be carry. 1 should be carry. Remaining 3 to you write as it is. So answer for this question is this much. Answer is 7832. 7832. Hope you understood. So let me explain one more time. These two digits are near to my base and they are below my base. Okay. So the base is 100. Since they are below, I will represent with negative sign. This is below by 100. This is also like this. Then you do cross subtraction. Okay. Like this or like this. So it will be a 77. Then you need to multiply these two. If you multiply minus into minus, it is plus 132. Now you check how many zeros? 2 zeros. But you see 3 digits are there. Therefore 1 carry. 3, 2, I will write this 3, 2 as it is. The answer for this question 7832. Hope you have understood. Okay, then I will go for the next example. Now, see here, I am multiplying 991 by 996. So you can see what is my base. The base is 1000. What is the base? 1000 is the base. Hope you are understanding. So now, this is below by base by minus 9. Okay, below means minus. This is below by 4. Now we have to do cross subtraction. Okay, like this or like this, it's up to you. So this will be what? If you subtract 996 and 9, so what will be the answer? 987. Okay. Now 9 fours is what? 36. Now you check out how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. Okay, I am getting only 2 digits. So put on 0, 0, 3, 6. Hope you understood. So please let me go forward one more time. I will explain you. Now 991 and 996. This is below by minus 9. This is below by minus 4. Then you have to do cross subtraction. Okay. Now if you do cross subtraction, 991 minus 4. What is 991 minus 4? It is 987. Got it? Then 9 fours is what? 36. But 1000 has got how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you have to get 3 digit answer only. 036. So that's your answer. Hope you have understood. Okay, I'll go for the next example. Now you observe here. These two numbers are near to 10,000. The base is what? 10,000. Now you observe, this is below by how much compared to your 10,000? Now you apply all by 9, large by 10 technique. So this is below by how much? 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1. This is below by 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is below by how much? Just below by 8. So you can do cross subtraction. Like this or like this you can do. Anything you can do. So this is easy here. I will do like this. 8, 8, 8, 1. Then you have to multiply. If you multiply this, it will be 8, 8, 8, 8. Now you observe 10,000 has got 4 zeros. This is also 4 digit. I will put here 8, 8, 8, 8. My answer for this example is 888 18888. Hope you have understood. I will go for the next question. Here again the same base, that is 10,000. Now we'll apply how much below it is. This is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 2. This is below by 102. Okay, compared to our base, this is below by 102. Now how much this is below? This is below by 12. Then you can do cross subtraction. 9, 8, 8, 6. Then I need to multiply these two. 102 into 12. So if you multiply, this will be 1, 2, 2, 4. See here, 4 zeros. This is also 4 digit. You write this. 1, 2, 2, 4. The answer for this example is 98861224. Hope you have understood with this example. Okay, then I will take one more example. See, all the examples in this part I am explaining which are below base only. In my next sessions I am going to explain above base. Okay, so I will explain so many techniques. No need to worry. Now I am going to take the base is as 1,000. This is below by how much? This is 1, this is 0, 2. This is below by 102. This is below by 9. Then you can go for cross subtraction. Okay, like this or like this. This is 8, this is 9. Okay, sorry. Okay, now this is 9 here, 8, 89. If you subtract like this or like this, you can do. So it will be 889. Then you have to multiply these two. This will be 918. If you multiply these two, it is 918. See how many zeros? 3 zeros. This is also 3 digit, 918. So answer for this example is 889918. Hope you have understood. This is below your 10,000 by 3045. 3055. This is below by 15. Okay, go for cross subtraction. Here this will be easy. Okay, then I need to multiply these two. I need to multiply 3055 and 15. 15 5 is 75. 7. 15 5 is 75 plus it's 82. This is 8. 53 is 45. Now you count how many zeros there? 4 zeros. But this is what? 5 digit. So 4 is will be carry. Then write 5825. So answer for this example 52. The answer for this example is 69345825. Hope you have understood. So with this I am ending this part 1 in your base 10. So in this part I have explained you how to multiply any numbers which are near to the base such as 10, 100, 1000 and which are below. in my next session, I am going to explain you how to do multiplication of any numbers which are above base. Okay, hope you have understood with this technique. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number I am writing here, kindly note down. So my WhatsApp number is 9742331968. You can ask me your doubts through this number. Okay, so if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe right now. If you like my videos, like it and share it. Please don't forget to click on the bell button for the new updates.